Ginger has been used for thousands of years in both medical and Chinese medicine. The greatest benefits of ginger come from its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which makes it great for supporting the immune system and reducing inflammation in the body. The health benefits of ginger essential oil are nearly identical to the medicinal health benefits of fresh ginger. In fact, the most potent form of ginger is the oil because it contains the highest levels of gingerol. It's also great for your digestive issues and can help support an upset stomach or nausea. It has a warming and energizing effect on the body and can help improve your circulation too. There are a few different ways you can use this oil, depending on your needs. So when using your ginger essential oil, it's important to note that it is a very, very potent oil. So it's best to start with a small amount, 1 drop, and dilute it with the carrier oil, such as fractionated coconut oil. Ginger essential oil is a powerful oil with many amazing properties. I love ginger oil because it can help support my immune system. It reduces inflammation, soothes those digestive issues, and improves the circulation, like I said. Whether you use it aromatically, inhaling, topically, putting it directly onto your skin, or ingesting it internally, ginger is an oil that is so versatile that should be definitely part of your essential oil collection.